Hello Internet, this is Benedek here, very welcome to my channel. I would like to make a video series in which I will try to teach you how to use Unity to make cool video games. In today's episode, I would like to give a short introduction of Unity to you. So, if you may ask what this Unity is, now Unity is a cross-platform game engine developed by Unity Technologies. Now here you may ask what these game engines actually are. Game engines are software platforms which make it easier for developers to create video games. Rather than writing everything from scratch, it would take ages or even decades to build a game, even with a professional team, without using a great game engine. Unity gives users the ability to create games and experiences in both 2D and 3D platform. The engine offers a primary scripting API in C# for both the Unity editor in the form of plugins and games themselves, as well as drag and drop functionality. It was first announced and released in 2005 at Apple's WWDC as a macOS X exclusive game engine, but today the situation has changed because now it's supported for multiple platforms. So Unity is a cross-platform engine. The editor is supported on Windows and macOS. Besides, it supports Linux as well. The engine itself currently supports building games for more than 25 platforms, including mobile, desktop, consoles, and virtual reality. Building for Windows or Android platform is very simple, but if your target platform is iOS, then you will have to tackle some obstacles first, but then you will be able to build your application to that platform as well. We have to talk about licensing as well. So back in the early days in 2005, when the first edition of Unity was released, there wasn't any free versions, so companies had to pay a lot for Unity, but nowadays even individuals can get it for free, and even small companies who make less than $100,000 annual profit can also get and use the free version of Unity legally. Okay, now we have to talk about Unity as a store, which I will show you in the upcoming videos. But for now, let's just discuss that it exists and what it is good for. Now, creators can develop and sell user-generated assets to other game makers via this asset store, which is very cool because if you are a designer and you are good at making game assets, then you will be able to earn some money with it. Besides, if you're a coder, programmer, wanting to build your first game, in this case you don't have to worry about the graphical assets, since Unity as a store will provide you many great assets like environments, skyboxes, and characters, even character controller scripts. So basically you can get everything from here. And yes, there is an issue that there are many assets that are not cheap, but when talking about buying assets, I mean that you can download even for free some assets, and actually they are quite good. So if you don't wanna spend too much money on your game, then that's fine. You can use Unity Asset Store to boost up your game with cool, even with high-end assets from there without spending even $1. This Unity Asset Store includes 3D and 2D assets, as I've mentioned, and environments for developers to buy and sell. Unity Asset Store was launched back in 2010. By 2018, there had been approximately 40 million downloads through this digital store, which shows the popularity of it. So Unity developers like this asset store, just like me. Okay. Go further. Yes, we need to discuss some games which were built with Unity engine. So here is the Enter the Gungeon, but if you think of Guns of Icarus or the Gang Beasts or Ori and the Blind Forest or Firewatch and Rust, and you could just continue the list endlessly, then we see that it is really a high-end game engine, but of course you can build and deploy lower quality games as well. Now, if you may ask why should I learn it, then I would answer that because of it's absolutely free to learn it. So there are very cool materials even on the Unity.com, and also there is a free version of Unity Editor, and it is very easy to learn Unity, especially compared to other game engines like Unreal Engine. Unreal Engine is very sophisticated, and it is used to create apps which target higher platforms, I mean higher end PCs and all of this stuff, but for a simple game you can go with Unity Editor as well, and I believe it's great fun to develop games with this engine. And the average salary of a Unity developer is approximately $50,000 annually. Well guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, I would appreciate a like, but don't hesitate if you didn't like it, just let me know in the comment, or just dislike it, or do whatever you want.